We're going to make a cookie dough, and this cookie dough inside the right mold give you that house.
Okay.
So it's not that complicated.
Okay.
Step by step. That's pretty much
I
what's going
think
on.
we should stick with cookies, just little round ones. But let's learn how to make the cookie.
So as you know, cookies always start with the butter and the sugar. You cream that together. That's what's going on here. You add the eggs. So far, no surprise. The only thing that I do different is that I don't use all-purpose flour. To me, all-purpose flour is good for everything, and it's not really good for nothing, because it's good for everything.
Right.
So I like to mix my flour, bread and cake. 50-50, you have a certain elasticity. 40-60, you have another elasticity. So depending on what you like, you're going to
adjust.
You're going to adjust. So that's what I like to do.
So for this cookie, what is this mix? Is this 50-50?
This is a 50-50. Now I put the dry ingredients. So you use, the recipe that you usually use. Use the flour the way I just did. Baking powder, baking soda, salt, all that stuff.
Vanilla?
Vanilla. Oh yes, I forgot the vanilla. Sorry.
Dropping the
that's
ball.
it.
Dropping
That's
the
it.
ball.
So now, you know what? What makes a cookie really great? You don't want the cookie to be too elastic. That's why the two different flour. But that's the secret ingredients. Good
quality chocolate.
And also the size of those pieces. They have to be big. So something that you have to remember is you don't want cookies to be elastic. So just mix the dough.
Don't overmix it. Right.
No, don't overmix it. So look, I'm not going to mix it, but you get the message here.
Right, sure.
Mix that, and then you have the cookie dough. The cookie dough is here. Using... this is hard.
It's raw, and they already want it. Look at these. Look at those. And flaky sea salt. Sea salt, right?
Yeah, so the last thing is, I will put a little bit of sea salt before I bake them. I love to bake them the day after. And for two reasons. One, that the flour going to relax. All the flavor of the ingredients going to blend well. But that's going to build anticipation.